Welcome to True Life Lessons. Today we explore how a young grocery clerk transformed his destiny through 7 powerful financial secrets forever. Meet Ryan. He is 25 years old, working tirelessly every single day at the local grocery store to make ends meet. For 5 long years, Ryan has been working hard, saving every penny he could, hoping for a better and brighter financial future. Despite his incredible dedication and frugal lifestyle, his bank account balance grew at an agonizingly slow pace, leaving him feeling completely exhausted. He felt trapped in an endless cycle of working, saving, and waiting without ever seeing the true wealth he desperately dreamed about. Every morning, he arranged shelves, watched customers buy expensive items, and wondered why he could never afford the exact same comfortable lifestyle. The heavy realization hit him hard. Just saving money from his meager salary would never be enough to achieve true financial freedom. He needed a completely different approach, a new mindset that could break the invisible chains holding him back from ultimate financial success. Ryan began researching local success stories, looking for someone who had started from nothing and built a massive empire of passive income. His search led him to a legendary figure in his town, an incredibly wealthy and wise tycoon known simply as Mr. Dana. Mr. Dana was highly respected, known not just for his massive wealth, but for his profound wisdom and willingness to help others. Gathering all his courage, Ryan approached the grand estate of Mr. Dana, hoping the billionaire would share his ultimate secrets of wealth. To his absolute surprise, the kind old tycoon welcomed him inside, pouring 2 cups of tea and listening closely to his struggles. Mr. Dana smiled warmly and told Ryan that building lasting wealth is not about luck, but following 7 specific, highly disciplined steps. The first crucial step, the old man explained, is to save diligently before making any attempt to start investing in the market. You must build your initial capital from your current active income rather than borrowing money and drowning yourself in dangerous high interest. Debt is a heavy anchor that will sink your financial ship before it even leaves the harbor, the wise mentor gently warned. Ryan nodded, realizing his 5 years of saving were actually the perfect foundation for this very first step towards building true wealth. The second step is mastering your own desires by strictly curbing the urge to buy luxury goods and unnecessary expensive consumer items. Avoid buying the latest smartphones, flashy cars, or designer clothes too early, because they are merely liabilities that rapidly lose their value. A wealthy mindset focuses entirely on acquiring assets that put money into your pocket, rather than liabilities that drain your cash. True wealth is often silent and invisible. The richest people in the world usually wear simple clothes and drive very modest cars. Ryan thought about his friends who took huge loans just to buy expensive cars, realizing how trapped they truly were by debt. Moving to the third step, Mr. Dana advised Ryan to look closely around him to find small, hidden opportunities in daily life. Wealth is created by solving problems. Observe what people deeply need in your community or on the internet to generate extra income. It could be something as simple as setting up a local Wi-Fi service, raising chickens, or selling homemade food online for profit. Opportunities are everywhere, but they are usually disguised as hard work, which is why most ordinary people completely fail to see them. Ryan started observing his neighborhood with fresh eyes, noticing several small businesses and unmet needs that he had previously ignored completely every day. The fourth step is crucial for beginners. Start small and take immediate action without waiting for a flawlessly perfect business plan forever. Perfectionism is the ultimate enemy of progress. If you wait until everything is absolutely perfect, you will never actually start doing anything. By starting small, you significantly reduce your financial risks and give yourself the perfect chance to learn directly from real-world experiences. Mistakes will definitely happen, but when you operate on a small scale, those mistakes become valuable lessons rather than total financial disasters. Ryan decided to start a tiny side hustle, offering a simple laundry pickup service to his busy neighbors during his free evenings. It required almost zero initial capital, just his time, energy, and the strong willingness to work hard after his regular grocery shifts. The fifth step is the true secret engine of massive wealth creation. You must relentlessly reinvest every single penny of your profits. When your small business finally starts making money, do not rush out to celebrate or buy expensive things to show off immediately. Instead, pour that money directly back into the business to buy better equipment, hire helpers, and rapidly expand your overall operational scale. This creates a powerful snowball effect where your money works tirelessly to make even more money, accelerating your journey to financial freedom. Following this advice, Ryan used his early laundry profits to buy a high-capacity washing machine, dramatically increasing his daily processing volume. His income began to grow exponentially, transforming what was once a tiny side hustle into a highly profitable and stable local business. The sixth step is about extreme security and ultimate growth. You must carefully diversify your income streams to protect your financial future. Relying on a single source of income is incredibly dangerous. If that source suddenly dries up, you will face an immediate crisis. Once your first business is running smoothly and stably, use the excess cash flow to slowly build a second reliable income stream. Mr. Diener strictly warned Ryan to only spend a maximum of 50% of his total profits on rewarding himself with luxuries. The remaining 50% must always be directed towards creating new assets, ensuring that your wealth continues to multiply across different sectors. Ryan started looking into real estate, saving up enough money to purchase a modest apartment, which he immediately rented out to tenants. Now he had his grocery salary, his booming laundry business, and a steady stream of passive rental income flowing in every month. The final and seventh step is the ultimate test of character. You must be incredibly patient and never stop learning new things. Building passive income is not a magical overnight scheme. It requires years of intense dedication, unwavering focus, and continuous personal skill development. Markets change, technologies evolve, and consumer demands shift constantly. You must always adapt your strategies and acquire new knowledge to stay ahead. Read books, attend seminars, and surround yourself with ambitious people who constantly challenge you to grow and reach your highest potential daily. Ryan embraced this philosophy completely, spending his weekends studying market trends, financial management, and advanced investment strategies to sharpen his sharp mind. He faced numerous challenges along the way, including difficult tenants and broken machines, but his newfound mindset helped him overcome every obstacle. Whenever he felt tired or discouraged, he remembered the wise words of Mr. Diener and the ultimate goal of achieving financial freedom. Slowly but surely, the magic of compounding took full effect, accelerating his wealth accumulation far beyond his wildest childhood dreams and expectations. 5 years passed since that fateful meeting with the wise old tycoon. Ryan was no longer the exhausted clerk at the grocery. He now proudly owned a highly successful chain of modern laundromats across the city, generating massive daily cash flow without his presence. His real estate portfolio had also expanded significantly, with multiple residential properties providing a massive and incredibly reliable stream of passive income. The heavy chains of financial struggle were finally broken. Ryan had successfully achieved the elusive dream of total and absolute financial independence. He could now wake up every morning and choose exactly how he wanted to spend his day, without worrying about paying bills. Sometimes he visited his businesses just to chat with his happy employees, ensuring everything ran smoothly under his excellent and caring leadership. Other times, he traveled the world, experiencing new cultures and enjoying the beautiful fruits of his 5 years of intense hard work. However, he never forgot his humble beginnings or the incredible generosity of the mentor who had completely changed the trajectory of life. Ryan started mentoring young, ambitious people in his community, sharing the exact same 7 steps that Mr. Diener had taught him previously. He realized that true wealth is not just about accumulating massive amounts of money, but also about lifting others up around you. Saving before investing gave him the solid foundation. Curbing luxury desires kept his vital capital completely safe from unnecessary and wasteful spending. Finding local opportunities opened the door. Starting small and acting fast allowed him to learn without risking his entire life savings immediately. Reinvesting profits created the massive snowball effect. Diversifying income streams built an unbreakable fortress of financial security that would last for generations. Patience and continuous learning kept his mind incredibly sharp, allowing him to navigate the complex business world with absolute confidence and grace. This simple yet powerful formula can work for absolutely anyone who possesses the discipline and courage to follow it until the end. You do not need to be born rich or have a genius-level intellect to build a highly successful passive income empire. All you truly need is the right mindset, a solid plan, and the relentless determination to keep moving forward despite all obstacles. Start today, no matter how small your first step might seem. Your future self will eternally thank you for making this decision. The journey from a struggling grocery clerk to a wealthy entrepreneur is living proof that financial freedom is absolutely possible for everyone. Thank you so much for watching True Life Lessons. Subscribe for more inspiring stories, and we will see you in the next.